everyone, we are here at the metal forming exhibition held in Pune PIEC.
It's been a while we were participating in Pune. The main reason to come down for this exhibition is we have very specific solutions. The laser welded parts, and earlier solutions was a little more time taking and not really focused on that. And since laser welding is more and more getting popular, we brought the entire set of new tools, which is latest innovations from Germany, to present, and the response so far was very good.
Unlike the other exhibitions where we get a lot of casual walk-ins, this has been quite different. Even though we have only one hall with limited number of stalls, all our inquiries have been pretty serious.
We bought a hybrid machine, which is the only machine on the floor with the highest speed, the most energy efficient. It has a speed of 200 mm per second with approach and the return, 17 mm with the pressing. So this is the only machine on floor which has a dual servo. It's a really great experience to come at the Metal Forming Expo.
Here we are showcasing our range of products like online UPS, servo stabilizers, solar inverters, on-grid and hybrid. So we are in this industry since 1998. We are showcasing over here. This is our UPS. This is online UPS 60 kVA. Whoever visited to our stall, they really appreciated with the product, what we are having along with the technology. We are coming with a new technology which can save your electricity bill. This UPS is proven with the particularly laser cutting, bending and punching industry. We are having n numbers of installations and looking forward to grab the maximum market with all of your supports.
Dener Makina was founded in 1974 and running in the business for over 50 years. We provide vast variety of machines, high quality European machines to our customers, and these machines are including sheet metal working machines and also machine tools.
I'm very happy to inform all Indian customers that Dener India has incorporated the company in India, where we are having a demo center, tech center and warehouse in Pune, Chakan. So all Indian customers who are looking for very high-end machinery and excellent after-sales service, I do request them, give a Dener India Machinery a chance to quote and explain our technology and our services.